Hi everyone, welcome to this short video on how to use SalesFreak Sales Hunter feature. Now you need to be a member or you need to have an account on SalesFreak in order to use this feature. So some of the points I'll cover today is what is Sales Hunter feature. So if you're a SalesFreak Hunter, probably you've heard of this feature or you're already using it and you might not know how to set up correctly. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Sales Hunter correctly. And you might also ask, since you have auto lister now, do you still need to hire a virtual assistant? So I'll cover this in depth. Now, first of all, what is Sales Hunter feature? Now, this is a feature that SalesFreak added into the global setting, where you can actually allows you as a dropshipper to swipe listing from other eBay sellers 24/7. So this seems to be a very good tool if you use it correctly. And like mentioned, this feature will automatically list products from your competitors onto your eBay store. So you just need to set up the automatic features. And you have control to the number of listings to be listed every day. So how to set up Sales Hunter correctly? First, you must have a SalesFreak account like mentioned. And next, you must enable your global settings. And set the number of maximum listing that you want to list onto your eBay store daily. Plus, you need to use your supplier source title only. In this case, we are referring to Amazon.com. You might have encountered issues that deal with a wrong title. So I suggest when you're beginning out, right, use the title that's supplied directly from Amazon site and not from the your competitor's site. Your competitors might have a different title. And lastly, you need to add your target sellers, meaning other eBay sellers that are non-SalesFreak user into this list of targeted seller. Let's take a look online on how to set this up. Okay, I'll log into my SalesFreak account under this global settings. You can come to global settings. You just need to scroll all the way down. So this is a feature over here called the Sales Hunter. First of all, you need to check on the enable and set the number of items that you want to list for the 24-hour period. So I'll say that if you have a low selling limit, you probably want to set to 50. For the target source, you have to choose either supplier or target seller. So in this case, we will choose supplier, which is Amazon in this case. And you need to manage target seller list. So click on the edit button, you see a list of targeted seller that input. So in this case, I have about 15 sellers that I'm actually swiping some of the listing throughout the days. So if you want to add new seller store, you can actually input it over here. So how do you do that? Well, basically you have to go to Zig Analytics. So if you have a Zig Analytics account, you just go to your management panel and you can save a list of competitors store, and you can just take from the list that you have. Yeah, so if the store is a non-SalesFreak user, the store will be added directly into this targeted seller list. So this is how you add. For example, if the target seller is a SalesFreak user, you will not be able to add it into this list. So let's go back to the third part of this video. So do you still need a lister VA or a virtual assistant? Well, my answer is yes. So you need to improve or constantly improve on your listing title. Even you will be able to automatically list your listing onto your eBay store, you still need somebody to look at your listing, whether you're listing correctly or not. And of course, this part, we actually need someone that's able to optimize the title so that you can get the best return on your investment. And you also need to manage your variable listing daily and remove some of the listing that's variable. So don't just depend on the system itself. You also need to do some your due diligence every day and make sure that this variable listing that get picked up get deleted. You also need to manage unsold listing, inactive listing. Make sure you delete them every day. And your VA also need to help you to do research on more competitor store to add to your Sales Hunter and to remove a store that's also no longer active from the Sales Hunter. So again, you can see that in this case, a lister VA is still required. You know, give you more time to focus on your store. And at the same time, the lister VA actually can help you to improve all the different aspects of the listing. So with this, if you like this video or if you find that this video is useful, just share it with somebody else, and I'll see you in the next video.